Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide. Here is Nathan Weaver.
Greetings and welcome to Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom. I'm Nathan Weaver, founder and executive director of Petra Worldwide. If you listen to the radio during your morning commute, turn on the television in the afternoon, or just scroll through social media, you are going to be bombarded with high pressure advertisements flashing a very specific phrase: qualify for the government's IRS Fresh Start program today. The slick marketing means that it's an exclusive program that was a newly passed by the federal law and designed to instantly wipe out any tax debt you have. To a busy professional or small business owner feeling the squeeze of inflation, it sounds like a lifeline being tossed your way. But we know as kingdom leaders that operate in absolute truth, not deceptive slogans, there is no free lunch. Today, I'm going to break down the reality behind the Fresh Start framework, exposing these predatory scams, and showing you how the IRS actually is willing to resolve any tax debt. You've heard it before, no free lunch. You know what that means. That everything that you hear that looks too good to be true probably is. The single biggest secret in the tax revolution industry is there is no program, no standalone program called Fresh Start Program that you can apply for. That is a marketing name that someone just created. The Fresh Start Initiative is simply a set of internal administrative changes made by the IRS over 10 years ago to adjust their collection thresholds. The IRS doesn't even use the term anymore. Slick offer and compromise mills use this outdated phrase purely as a marketing hook to get you to pick up the phone or go to their website and reach out to them. That's the first thing to realize. The second thing is this phantom trap of timelines. The predatory marketing firms will artificially use countdowns and they say you're running out of time to claim your Fresh Start program. It is absolutely not true. And it's a high pressure sales tactic that you really need to be aware of every time you hear this message.
Pastors and financial leaders, do you need expert accounting or tax help? Do you have payroll or 1099 questions? Do you need a ministry expert to help you acquire real estate for your next project? If the answer is yes, yes, and yes, visit petraworldwide.org. Petra Worldwide has been strengthening ministries to transform humanity since 2007. Visit petraworldwide.org or call 855-481-9095.
So now that we've moved away from the myths and all of the marketing hype, let's keep moving down the path of truth and understand that there are separate legal tools that are available to help you resolve back taxes. These tools take four distinct categories. There's a streamlined installment agreement, which allows you to restructure balances that are $50,000 or less over 72 months without any aggressive financial disclosures. There's, currently not collectible status. If you are absolutely able to pay the debt and you can prove that in your documentation, there is a chance that your debt will be marked uncollectible. There's also the Penalty Abatement program, where if you have failure to file or failure to pay penalties, and you can prove that there was a legitimate hardship that caused you not to comply, those penalties can be abated. And finally, there's the offer and compromise that says, hey, I don't have the money to pay the full amount. Would you be willing to accept a reduced amount? All of these are legitimate ways that the IRS will settle debt. So the next time you hear, don't miss the Fresh Start Initiative, please stop for a minute, take a deep breath, and realize that in most cases in life, if it looks too good to be true, it probably is, and you need to express some extra diligence. I'm Nathan Weaver. Live with confidence, lead with integrity, and build something that
Listen every day at 4 p.m. for Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide, strengthening ministries to transform humanity. On the web at petraworldwide.org.